Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload PDFs to Claude AI. So, Claude AI supports PDF uploads, allowing you to summarize documents, ask questions about them, extract information, and more. So, to start, open Claude app, then sign into your account. Now, start a new chat. Next, on the left side, tap the plus or attachment icon. Now, from here at the top, choose Files, then select your PDF. So, upload the file and enter your question. So, click Open. So, enter your question. You can type your prompt such as summarize this PDF. What are the key points in chapter 3? Extract all dates and deadlines from this document, etc. So, let's just say summarize this PDF and click submit. So press enter to send your message. So Claude supports PDF and that's basically it. So if PDF upload isn't working, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or browser. Try refreshing the page and uploading again. Check that the PDF isn't corrupted or password protected. So once uploaded, Claude analyze the again. So once uploaded, Claude can analyze the contents of the PDF and answer questions based on the document. And that's it. Thank you for watching.